Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I don't know this is the Dancehall Skiller, right? I wonder all who remember a person that was called Mario Dean, right? Mario Dean, the youth that died as a result of police arresting him for a ganja spliff in St. James, right at Barnett Street Police Station, you see me? Would you believe it? From 2014 until now, his mother has not received any form of justice for the death of her son. You see me? No, it has, let me give you the whole starting night, right? Now, on the 3rd of August 2014, the 3rd of August, like this day, but only in 2014, right? Mario Dean was locked up, right? And arrested for a ganja spliff. Some people call it ganja cigarette, right? And within that 3 days, Mario Dean was beaten up and he died, right? He died on the 6th of August, which is Independence Day. You see me? Yeah. And because of his death, the government of Jamaica decided to look over the whole marijuana punishment by law. You see me I say? And because of Mario Dean's death, them revised it and them look it over, and because of that, certain things have been dropped where a man, police just give a ticket for a spliff and it's basically for smoking in public or something like that. You see me? But that's not the point we are talking about right now. You see me? Right? The 3rd of August. You see me? His mother is down at Barnett Street protesting with she and her supporters, trying to get the government of Jamaica and the public to hear what's going on, because she says she wants justice. She says that this is a promise what she make to her son, and she's going to make sure that this promise comes true, right? Yeah, because up till now there's no justice. It has been reported that 3 inmates, what them say have unsound mind, so them say them 3 man they are madman, and 3 police officers are being charged for this thing that happened to Mario Dean. And the police station that is located in Montego Bay at Barnett Street, right, in St. James, right, is now being seen as a symbol of police brutality. And it is says that is like it's a symbol of police brutality by many supporters, right, of Mario Dean's mother, who is now, she says that she's just trying to keep a promise that she made to her son on his dying bed, that she will get justice for him. Alright? Yeah, Mario Dean. He got locked up for a ganja spliff on the 3rd of August 2014. It said that he was beaten and stabbed. Like, how is it that you get stabbed within the police custody? Like, within the jail, right? That is what it has been said. Stabbed, right? The beaten part, well, you know what I mean? Because fist is there. But for a person to be stabbed, how is it that weapons reach inside of there? Is what I'm saying to you and all these things. So these are some of the questions that are being asked. Alright, viewers and subscribers. And like I said, he went in on the 3rd for a ganja spliff. He was beaten and stabbed and so on. And he died on the 6th of August, right? Yeah. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I don't know, want to tell me what you think about something like this. Mario Dean has not gotten any justice, or should I say Mario Dean mother hasn't gotten any justice towards her son's death. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Big up on yourself. You see?